repairs.Once.
G'day guys, Pete's Tools, awesome to see you here again today. Hey, I was at work today and I went to pick up one of my dumpsters and I noticed that one of the lifting pins had broken off one of them. So today something a little bit different guys. I'm going to show you how my cheap plasma cutter here saves me a whole lot of money on maintenance and that sort of thing. And I'm doing my own DIY repairs on my dumpsters and that sort of stuff. Anyway guys, same as usual, if you like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, and let's get into this. So I was at work today guys, picking up one of my mini skips, as you can see it here, and I went to I picked it up and emptied it at the dump, and then I was putting it down in the yard, and then I actually pulled the pin off down here. As you can see, it actually snapped it off. The arm come down here and I was pushing on it that hard that it just snapped this off. Might be some sort of heat weakness here or something. So what I got to do is cut this old pin out here. This side, as you can see, I've already started doing it, and then I thought, oh, I'll make a video about it and show you guys what I actually do with my plasma cutter. So what I got to do is cut the pin out of here, and the other side there, as you can see, I've already started. And yeah, I'm going to try and knock through this 1.5" pin here with my 40 amp plasma cutter, and then I'll put a new pin in. So we might as well do a video on that today guys, and I'll show you what I do with my plasma cutter. So as you can see guys, I've got to cut this pin out here so I can knock this side out and then knock this side out. So what we'll do is we'll try and whack through this big heavy pin here, and as you can see I've already started with my 40 amp plasma cutter. So okay guys, we'll show you how it goes. This is what I use my machine for mainly, just maintenance and that sort of thing. So yeah, let's get into it. See the old P31, the old torch. So here we go. See that guys, I'm not trying to go straight through the centre of it, I'm just sort of taking the corners off so I can get all the way around it. So what I'll do is I'll just try and cut it off completely. As you can see guys, that's a lot thicker than what it's supposed to cut, but we'll get away with it. I'll hit it with the axe and we'll see if I can shear it off. Beautiful! As you can see, that's quite a heavy bar there guys. Here guys, so what I've got to do is take this side out, that side out, put a new bar in, weld it back up, and then we'll be ready for another 6 months on the road. So I hope you can see that guys. What I've basically got to do is cut around the inside here and try and get the half of this pin that's snapped off there out. So let's give that a crack, Nigel. So let's put my gloves on guys, because that is really hot. Try and pull them out. Stuck, wiggle it. There you go. There you go, Pete. Hee-hee. See that guys? Oh shit. Oh, see the smoke coming off my gloves there. That is really hot guys. Can you see that guys? That actually sheared off with the weight of the hook of my hook bin coming down and hitting it. It just broke it off. I think it's metal fatigue. I think. Oh, it's hot, Pete. Yowza. So what we're left with guys, see it's a big hole on this side and we've got a hole on the other side as well. So I'm going to have to do the other side of this bin here, this side here, and do exactly the same thing. So just bear with me. Alrighty, coyote, let's cut them out, eh? Yeehaw! Here we go. Look at that. It's just yeah, I think a metal fatigue. I don't know what the hell it is. It's definitely ugly. Right. So guys, what I've basically done is we've cut the old pin out of here. That's what we've done, and I've got a new pin here. So we're going to weld this new pin in here like so. So we've got the strength back in this pin, so it's not sheared off or anything stupid like that. Once we weld that up and lock it solid, we should be right for another probably, how long did it take to break that pin? Probably 3 years. So we'll probably get another 3 years out of this before we have to replace it again, guys. Anyway, I'm going to go and drag the welder around and we'll zap it up, guys. What I actually do before I weld it up, guys, is see I've got a couple of flanges here. I'll put them on the centre here so we can centre it up so that the skip doesn't, actually, run the wrong way, Pete. So the skip goes centre when I go to pick it up. I'll show you fellas later what I do. So if I put those flanges on here, guys, when the hook comes and picks it up like that, it can't go either side and it keeps it centre on the truck. Makes life a lot easier when you're picking it up when it's really, really heavy. When you might have 3 or 4 tonne in it, it tends to slide all over the place. So I just put these little grommet things on here just to centre it up. I'll show you guys when I pick it up in a minute. So guys, what I have to do is weld it around this side, around the other side, on the other side, and then we'll do the inside. So just bear with me, guys. Next, what I'll do is I'll just space them out evenly. I'll hold the hot bit with my glove and I'll just tighten them up like so, Use the cars going past, guys. It's just almost knock off time here. Tighten them up like so. Beautiful. Then we'll do the other side as well. And that just centers it up on the truck. That. She's warm. Yep, that's good. So then my hook comes up here and I'll grab them like that. So I'm going to go and grab the truck, guys, and I'll show you. So here's the mechanism off the back of the truck, guys. Here's the hook. Here's the spacer that we put in here to keep this hook centre so the bin doesn't go from one side to the other. And here's the new pin that we put through, guys. We'll just pull it up in the truck, let you fellas have a look at it. See that, guys? Just like that. Pretty cool, eh? And here we have it on the back of the truck there, just like so. So there you go. Replacing a pin on one of Pete's bins. No worries at all, guys. So guys, there wasn't that much drama to fix that, was it? It probably took me 40 minutes, 50 minutes in total. But you just got to take your time cutting around, you know, with the plasma cutter and cutting through this. It's quite thick, it's probably an inch, inch and a half, this stuff. Anyway guys, same as usual, you like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. Don't forget to go and catch up with me at Pete'sTools.com, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Pete'sTools.com.